Good morning, students. Welcome to the CET classes. Today, I will be discussing first year topic, particularly trigonometric functions or trigonometric ratios. This topic I want to discuss more. Though number of questions in this chapter are limited to 2 or 3, sometimes 4 ವರ್ಗೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ 5 ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ maximum you can expect 3 to 5 but minimum until 2 on questions ಮುಂದೆ apart from number of questions in this chapter we have lot of importance of this because ಈ topic ಏನಿದೆ I mean trigonometry or trigonometric functions or trigonometric ratios these concepts appear in every aspect of other subjects also. Say for example physics most of the things are derivatives of the trigonometry that is part and parcel of the physics. So here also more importance must be given to the concept so that its application can be understood, right? That's the thing we should have in your mind. If you look at the important concept which we have in this topic are, if you observe here, see the highlights and the you have the concept of an angle, measurement of an angle, in what type you measure the angles, what are the units of measurement of an angle, then the relationship between, obviously these are the 3 degree, grade, radian, these are the 3 units of measurement of an angle. Then how do you define trigonometric functions? Otherly, we have reciprocal relation, quotient relations, trigonometric identities, domain of trigonometric T ratios, wherever you get, you read it as trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios is a standard angles, sign of trigonometric ratios, how does they behave in different quadrants, first quadrant, second quadrant, or popularly known as ASTC rule. Next is allied angle, how to express angle in terms of 90 plus theta, 270 plus theta, that you will be learning here. Next, trigonometric ratios of sum and difference of angles, then multiple angles, half angle relation, sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2, I hope you remember them. Transformation relation, product in the sum in the product, how to transform the trigonometric functions. Next, finally, trigonometric equations, solutions and properties and solutions of triangle. Properties and solutions of triangles, it is in the extra miscellaneous segmentally, extra concepts ಇದೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಇದು ರಿಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಈ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಕೊಸೈನ್ ರೂಲ್, ಸೈನ್ ರೂಲ್, ನೇಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್, ಹಾಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಈ ತರದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್, these are the main topics what we have in first PUC trigonometric function, which it has been introduced at this level andre. So in muddಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ you have to cross check here itself, right? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. we will be using this rapid ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಮೇಜರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದರ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಲೆಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ದಿ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಏನೇನೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ದ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ so that it will be helpful for the other topic also in the same subject, right? So keeping that in mind, I have given you in detail the synopsis for KN, right? Some of the concepts, they are basic. Adana nanu nimage helta hogteni in detail. You while studying it, you can go in detail, right? Angle, you know, it is a measure of the rotation of the ray. One the line na fix ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, right? So ಒಂದು rotation ಬರುತ್ತೆ, right? This is the angle which has been formed. So ಒಂದು ಫಿಕ್ಸೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇ ಓ and A. OA, this is B. This OA is fixed line and OB is terminal side or terminal line. So when a ray rotates from this position to this position, the angle is formed. Adinelli measure of rotation about a fixed point. Fixed point to illi O is the fixed point. It is the fixed point. So measure of ಎಷ್ಟು rotation ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ measure ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ definitely you will get an angle. If the measure of rotation is anti-clockwise, clockwise or anti-clockwise ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Clockwise and anti-clockwise, right? So clockwise directionally, you know, here it is the angle of measurement is clockwise andre clock ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು direction negative angle will be there. When we go anti-clockwise against to clockwise, then the angle is considered to be positive. So negative angle ಮತ್ತೆ positive angle ಎರಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. So ಒಂದು anti-clockwise direction ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, measure of rotation is anti-clockwise ಇದ್ದಾಗ angle is positive and opposite, right? Angle in standard position, if the vertex is at origin and initial side is along the x-axis, y-axis in compare with respect to that coordinate axis you draw ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, then the angle is said to be in standard position. Similarly, quadrant angle. So if you move further, types of angles anta ide. The types of angles you are all familiar, high school nalle odidira. Acute angle means the angle should be lying between 0 degree and 90 degree, right? Obviously obtuse angle 90 degree to 180 degree, reflex angle 180 degree to 360 degree, straight angle 180 degree and right angle is 90 degree, right? Less than or equal to use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು, less than in between 0 and 90 degree. So then this is about types of angle and types of angle. Then after measuring, we need some unit to mention about the angle. Yes, in there ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ unit ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have three types of measurement of an angle. So one sexagesimal system, or this was followed by British people, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ English system ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. It is measured in degrees, minutes and seconds. One right angle ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ one right angle ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ they are dividing it into 90 equal parts. This is 90 equal parts and each part is called 1 degree. Each part is called 1 degree. So obviously one right angle 90 equal parts agirutte 90 degree agutte. Further 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute. Our notation ideyalla 60. This represents minute. One dash idre alli minutes anta karitare. Minutes. If it is double 60 seconds anta karitare. ಎರಡು symbol idre adu 60 seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This is the system, or this is the arrangement which they are following in this English system or British system alli itara follow ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, right? So if you move on to the next system, it is French ನವರು follow ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು centesimal system ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ instead of degree one change ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ grades ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Grades, minutes and seconds. So one right angle na instead of dividing it into 90 equal parts, they have divided into 100 equal parts and each part is called as 1 grade. So totally we have 100 grades here. So 1 grade is equal to 100 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds, similar to the previous English system. But SI, modern way of measuring, it is radian measure. Alli centesimal system, illi circular system, sexagesimal system. 3 systems we have. So modernly radian or circular measure. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ radian ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Observe here. See, if you consider a circle. The circle ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Let this be center be O and this point be J and this be equal to B, right? This arc length ideyala idu, this will be equal to radius of the circle. This is R, this is R. So what does it mean here? We have considered a circle with center at O and radius. Let the arc length AB be also equal to R. Then we say that an angle of 1 radian is formed. It is denoted in this way. One circular measure or 1 radian. So a radian is a constant angle. It is a constant angle subtended at the center of a circle by whom? By an arc. What's the speciality of that arc? The arc length is equal to radius of this circle. A condition idrag matra we call this as 1 radian. It is denoted by nodi. It is 1 radian. I repeat, a radian is a constant angle subtended at the center of a circle whose length is equal to the radius of the circle and is denoted as 1 radian. So then we have 3 types of units for the measurement of an angle up, right? We units for the measurement admele. So degree, grade, and radian. What's the relation between these 3? This is the relation, and the important one here it is 1 radian is equal to 57 degree, 17 minutes 45 seconds, right? 1 grade equal to so and so. This is also important one. 1 degree is equal to 0.01745 radians. Conversion formula we have to remember. How to convert an angle which is in degrees into radians. The radians in the degrees. Grade is the grade now use but if you remember the relation between those 3, relation here. T by 180 and if T is degrees, G is grade and radian is R. This is the relation which holds good. And remember this important one. Pi radians is 180 degree, which is equal to 200 grades, equal to 2 right angles. Okay. Then these are the formulas which are extensively used while solving problems related to circular measure. If L is the arc length, arc length R and L is the arc length and R is the radius of the circle and theta is the angle made by the arc at the center. The important formula here it is L is equal to R theta. L equal to R theta. L andre arc length, R andre radius. Theta is the angle made by the arc at the center of the circle. Remember, theta must be always theta is in radians only. Theta is in radians, right? If A is the area of the sector and R is the radius of the sector and theta will be is the angle made by the sector at the center of the circle, then A is equal to, this formula is also important. A is equal to half into R square theta, area of the sector, and A is equal to half into R square theta. That has to come to your mind, right? Next, if P is the perimeter, and R is the radius and theta is the angle made by the sector, then perimeter of that sector is equal to R into 2 plus theta, and pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter. Its value, obviously, you know that it is approximately equal to 3.1419. Right? See, simple conversion formulas degrees to radians. Use so 30 degree. Avaga you calculate 30 into pi by 180 into 30 on 6 cancel pi by 6 anta bariyobodu. If you write it, right, it is pi by 6 anta bariyabodu. 45 pi by 4, 60 pi by 3. Frequently used agirodrinda. So if you remember these, it will be very helpful. 90, it is pi by 2, 120 degree, 2 pi by 3. 150 degree, pi by 5, pi by 6, 180 degree, pi, 270 degree, 3 pi by 2, 360, 2 pi. These basic, 30 degree in the 90 degree, 120 degree. ಇವಾಗ say 120 degree ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೋಡಿ 60 into 2 is 120 degree. So 2 pi by 3 you can easily write. Next, whenever you solve a problem with respect to the clock ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮೂರು ಡೇಟಾನ ನೀವು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ. What are the data? You know that in a clock ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ these are the three information. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು a minute hand in 1 minute, 1 minute move ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it makes an angle of 6 degree. An hour hand in 1 minute makes an angle of just half a degree. The angle between any two consecutive numbers in a clock is 30 degree. So e information while solving the problems related to clock you have to remember, right? And another information there which you have to remember is in a regular polygon ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ CET ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. All the interior angles are equal, all the exterior angles are also equal. This information you have to go through. The sum of the interior angles, ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. Interior angles of a polygon of n sides ಇದ್ರೆ find n value ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. So you can go through that formula while solving those, right? These are the concepts which related to radian measure topic. Next, we will move on to the important one, trigonometric function. You know that for a right angle triangle, we have defined 6 trigonometric functions: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, and cosecant theta. And out of which we have many relations to remember. Hege define ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ basic ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ, right? Reciprocal relation, 3 pairs of reciprocal relations we have: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, ಅಥವಾ cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta, secant theta is 1 by cos theta. So you should be able to write. So ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರನೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವು sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು sin theta cosecant theta ಬಂದಾಗ you should be able to write 1. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು cosecant theta ನ 1 by sin theta ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು. This is also true with respect to this relation, right? So here also cos theta into secant theta equal to 1, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. That also you have to remember. And we have only two quotient relations, namely tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Since tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal to each other, cot theta becomes cos theta by sin theta. Then trigonometric identities: sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, 1 plus tan square equal to secant square, 1 plus cot square is equal to cosecant square theta, right? Domain and range of trigonometric functions. One the problem ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ರೈಟ್? ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ದೆನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಇಟ್, ರೈಟ್? We'll move to the standard angles table. Standard angles 0 degree, 30 degree, next 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. They are called as standard angles. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಒಂದನ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ 0, 1/2, 1/√2, √3/2 and 1. In the reverse order it is. If you remember sin and cos, then tan is sin by cos. Next tan is cot is the reverse order. Secant is 1 by cos and cosecant is the reverse order of secant. So not defined anta idu artha. This is infinity anta baritiralva, tan 90. It is infinity, not defined antandre it is not defined. Again infinity is not defined, so its value is infinity. While solving problems we will write down instead of infinity 1/0 anta ankondu calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ values ಎಲ್ಲ you have to remember. Standard angles tables. Then sign of trigonometric ratios, if you remember, if you recall it, obviously it is popularly called as ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ, the ACC rule. What does the ACC rule says? In first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. In second quadrant all trigonometric ratios, here it is positive, here sin and cosecant are positive, remaining are negative. Angle lie here in which they lie here, second quadrant they have angle, they lie. Which angle lie in the second quadrant? It is 90 degree plus theta, 180 degree minus theta. Okay. Next here, third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, remaining are negative. Cos and secant are positive, remaining are negative in fourth quadrant. So here A, S, T, C. So that is why it is called ACC rule. Okay. Or it's also called as ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ sin 180 is 0, so cos 180 is -1, tan 180 is 0. Here it is not defined. 270 and 360, right? 360 is sin 1, 0. Both are one the same. 0 degree and 360 degree are both are one the same. So next we'll move on to the allied angle. Okay, allied angles, they play a very important role in trigonometry. See, we know of these values of only standard angles. If we have to calculate a value of more than standard angle, say suppose it is sin of 225 degree, cos of 390 degree, so tan of 400 degree, 420 degree, each of the values are calculate ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ we need this concept. An angle which is expressed in terms of n 90 degree plus or minus theta are called angles allied to theta or allied angles ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ, right? So 90 plus or minus theta. Here we have a simple concept to remember all these things. Simple concept adu antandre, if you come across 90 plus or minus theta or 270 plus or minus theta, then you have to write co-ratio. Co-ratio antandre, what are the co-ratio? Three pairs of co-ratio we have. One sin ge co-ratio yavadu? Cos. Cos ge co-ratio yavadu? Sin. Next tan ge CO ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ cotangent ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, so tan and cot are co-ratios. Next is secant ge cosecant, secant and cosecant, right? Secant and cosecant, these three pairs of co-ratios we have, which we have to use yavaga when we have 90 degree plus or minus theta, 270 degree plus or minus theta. Next, the other concept which you have to remember is 180 degree plus or minus theta, 360 degree plus or minus theta. You have to use same ratio. Sin idre sin, cos idre cos, na you have to retain it. Next, obviously plus or minus sin, it is dependent on AST rule. Yav quadrantal ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು AST rule na ನೀವು apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And this follows sin of minus theta. Negative angle bandre, how to make it positive angles in on. So sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, cos of minus theta is cos theta, secant of minus theta is minus plus secant theta. Eradu positive barutte, in ellanu negative barutte if you look at the table, right? And you remember this also, sin of n pi, n may be any value there anta illi ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. If n is any value, it is always sin pi is also 0, sin 2 pi is also 0. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. And these follow here. So sin of 90, n pi by 2 plus theta, it depends, cos theta barata, sin theta barata. If n is odd, then n is even. These are the two things which you have to observe here also. If n is odd and n is even, right? Next comes the important concept called compound angles, or they are called sum or difference of angles. Sum or difference of angles, let us see the relations. So sin of a plus b, it is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and cos of a plus b follows adhe tara tan of a plus b cot of a minus a plus b. So the sum item difference of angles, here we have tan of a minus b, so tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. Cot of a minus b is cot a cot b plus 1 divided by cot b minus cot b. Here we have two relations. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is sin square a. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳನ್ನ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ sin square a minus sin square b ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. See, always don't by heart the formulas from left to right. Right to left also you have to remember, right? So if you look at the problem, you should be able to say ಈ problem particularly ಈ formula ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ cos square a minus sin square b problems solve ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Next I will come back to while I will repeat the same concept while solving problems. Cos square a minus sin square b is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. And another popular formula, tan of 45 plus k is 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. ಇದೆಲ್ಲನೂ reduced formula. So using tan of a plus b formula, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ tan of a minus b formula use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, right? This is about compound angles or sum or difference of two angles, right? Next, multiple angle. Multiple as a word. Multiple angles, right? As the word itself indicates here, multiple angle A, 2A, 3A, 4A are called multiple of those angles. So in that one, trigonometric ratios of 2 theta, if you observe, this is the only formula we have. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. But cos 2 theta ge more formula ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು cos square theta minus sin square theta, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 1 minus 2 sin square theta, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 cos square theta minus 1. So these are the three formulas. Then tan 2 theta and sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta in terms of tan theta. That also you have to remember, frequent use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, right? ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನಲ್ವಾ, ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಇದು ಈ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದನೂ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು we should be able to get the idea that it is nothing but cos 2 theta. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ cos 2 theta na tan theta ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ in terms of tan theta you will easily write 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. But if 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is given, you will not be unable to write it is equal to cos 2 theta ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. So be careful there, okay? And right side ಇಂದನೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ should be familiar with. So trigonometric ratios of sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta, tan ಇವೆರಡೇ ಇರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 theta and 3 theta, tan 3 theta ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. So next, moving on to half angle formula. If exactly it is half of that one, it is not sin theta divided by sin of theta by 2. So these are the formulas which we have: sin theta, cos theta, and popular formulas are 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. ಅದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. tan theta, sin theta and cos theta in terms of half angle, ಅದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And this one is a popular table apart from standard angle. See, here we have some separate angles called 15 degree, 75 degree, 105 degree, 18 degree, 36 degree, 54, 72, 22 and a half or pi by 8. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇವಾಗ tan of 22 and a half degree ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It is √2 minus 1. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. It's a popular value, tan of pi by 8 ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Then these are the popular values which we use ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಈ ಸರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. √5 minus 1, √5 plus 1 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 18 sin 18 degree, sin 54 degree. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, sin 75 degree and sin cot 75 degree, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ನೀವು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು. ವೇರ್ these values are included, search values ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. sin 9 degree, sin 9 degree is also equal to cos of 81 degree. Cos 9 degree is also equal to sin of 81 degree, as you know that they are co-ratios that use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು allied angle concept use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೋದು. This is another important relation which you can remember. And nodi, this problem ideyalla, ee relation ide tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree and then tan 3 up to tan 89 degree is equal to 1. Allied angle concept use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು problem ide. As a standard result I have given you the value. So try to remember this one, recall that while solving problems. It will be helpful for you. Similarly, secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. If you simplify, you get to know that this is the case. Next, sin a by 2 plus cos a by 2 is root of plus or minus root of sin a by 2, 1 plus sin a. Similar to that one, this is another formula. Then comes the important formula, transformation formula. A word ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, transformation formula. ಏನು transformation ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? sin a cos b. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಈ 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 1 these 4 are transformation of product of trigonometric function into sum or difference. ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as transformation formula. Okay, next, see, this is another important concept in CET which we use. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ a sin theta plus b cos theta, if we have an expression of this type, then the greatest value is root of a square plus b square and the least value is minus of root of a square plus b square. ನಾಲ್ಕು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, that will be solving. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ a sin theta plus b cos theta plus c ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ you can also expect an equation of this kind: a sin theta plus b cos theta plus c ಅಂತ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ a square, root of a square plus b square, ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ a square plus b square. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕಡೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. cos a plus cos into cos 2a, product cos 4a cos 8a etc. up to cos to the power of cos of 2 to the power of n minus 1. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 4 ನ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3 etc. up to 2 to the power of n minus 1 ಇದೆ. It is 1 divided by r sin of 2 to the power of n into a divided by 2 power n into sin a. ಈ ತರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾವು used it in differentiation and ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. And these are some standard relations which we can recall. ಯಾವಾಗ only under this condition a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Namely, sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to, in detail, 4 sin a sin b sin c. So I am extensively giving all the relations so that you can also use for JEE also. JEE ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ CET ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಬೋತ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, JEE ಮತ್ತೆ CET ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ either positive or negative satisfying the given equation which lies between, this is important, ಇದು 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And the expression which involving integer n which gives all solution of trigonometric equations, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು ದಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ದೇ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇವಾಗ sin theta equal to 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, theta is equal to n pi ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ cos theta equal to 0 ಇದ್ರೆ theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to n. N is an integer. Theta is equal to n pi. It is similar to for sin theta. But here, if sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then what is the relation we have? Then theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power of n into alpha. I hope you remember these three, because as a theorem we have proved it. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha antiದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, right? Next, if tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು we may lose the genuine solution, so that should also be considered, right? Properties and solutions of triangles which you have not studied in class ಅದು ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ major topic in the previous syllabus, but now it has been removed, right? Sine rule, cosine rule, projection rule. Sine rule, not in any triangle, sides are proportional to the sine of the angle. A by sine A, B by sine B, C by sine A, JW ನಲ್ಲಿ cosine rule ಬಗ್ಗೆ, sine rule ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು projection rule ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿದೆ. ನೀವು if you are concentrating on JW, you have to remember all these Napier's tangent rule ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Usually NTR ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಗರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. It is called a tangent rule, Napier's tangent rule, tan of B minus C by 2 equal to so and so. Next, half angle formula, sin A by 2 is equal to S ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, where S is semi perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2. So area of triangle is this formula, half of product of A and B into product of any two sides and the included angle sin C, sin of the included angle. So ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. S is equal to area of triangle calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, where S is A plus B plus C by 2. And important thing is, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. If you observe the number of questions appeared in the previous year papers ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2016 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 questions ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ 1 ಇದೆ, 1. So 2 is minimum and 3 is maximum. But here ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, these concepts are needed to solve many problems which are in the other units, namely differentiation agli, physics agli, elladukku this is a little bit as a, you can treat it as a foundation ತರ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, right? Okay, now with this basic idea, ಏನು ನಾವು synopsis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ we start solving objective questions related to that, right? See, the large hand of a clock is 42 centimeter long. How much distance does the extremity move in 20 minutes? Right? The options, you know that one, right? See, is given here, right? How much distance does it move in 20 minutes? In 20 minutes move, I think that it is moving 20 minutes. What's the distance covered? Distance ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Fine. ಈ distance ಎಷ್ಟು ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ನಾನು you have to recall the 3 things which is very important while solving a problem related to a clock. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಅರ್ಥ? ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Large is equal to minute hand. So a minute hand in 1 minute it traces an angle of 60. ಹೌದಾ? So 20 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ? 20 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ obviously it is 20 into 66 ಅಲ್ವೇನ್ರಿ? So this is equal to 120 degree. So 120 degree means degree ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, it's a value of the theta here, right? Theta value, theta 120 degree ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ. So ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. ನೋಡಿ theta degree ಇದೆ, theta 120 degree which is equal to, in terms of radians ಇರಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ, ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. So obviously it is 2 pi by 3. Then another data given is length of the arc is equal to, you have to calculate when radius will be equal to 42 centimeter. ಇಲ್ಲಿ radius ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಲ್ಲ, this is the radius of the circle ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಣ, circular form ಅಲ್ಲಿ 42 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Next, what is L ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, arc length. So isn't it obvious? See, L ಇದೆ, theta ಇದೆ, R ಇದೆ. So obviously the only formula we have here it is L is equal to R into theta. ಹೌದಾ? L is equal to R into theta. L ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ R ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ 42 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 42 into 2 pi by 3. 42 into 2 pi by 3. Next here it is 3 ones are 3 fours are. So this is 28 pi agate. So this is 28 into 22 by 7. So 7 ones are 7 fours are. So 4 into 22 is equal to 88 centimeter. So the correct option is here option A. This is the correct option, 88 centimeter. I repeat once again. If you remember here, a minute hand, ಈ data ನಾಲ್ಕೈದು ಸರ್, a minute hand, in 1 minute, it traces an angle of 6 degree. So 20 minutes, 20 into 6 degree, it is 120 degree. So whenever you have to substitute for the formula, L is equal to R theta. L is equal to R theta substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Theta must be always in radian. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 120 degree I converted into radian, as a radians, convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. 2 pi by 3 ಆಗಿ radians ಗೆ. Pi by 3 is 60. 60 into 2 is 120 degree. So L you have to arc length you have to calculate when radius is given. So obviously it is L is equal to R theta and 88 centimeter. Option is A. Okay. That's a solution. Next we will move on to the next problem. At 2:15, observe here. This angle. So 2 ಗಂಟೆ 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ what is the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. That's the information you have. See here this is number 2 and 3. Angle between number 2 and 3. Angle between 2 and 3. Allon information ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ. Angle between any two consecutive numbers is 30 degree. Right. 30 degree. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಇಂದ 3 ವರೆಗೂ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ 2 ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ ಇದು? 15 ನಿಮಿಷದಷ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 by 15 minutes. So angle made by our hand in 15 minutes is equal to 15 into what's that data? Ali avagla previous problem nodidvi, a minute hand if it moves 1 minute it makes an angle of 6 degree. But here it is the hour hand. The hour hand ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it makes an angle 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮೂವ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it traces only an angle of half a degree. So it is 7.5 degree. 7.5 degree. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ? 7.5 degree ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸೊ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. 30 degree minus 7.5 degree. So this is equal to obviously 22.5 degree is the right answer, and you will come to know that 22.5 degree is the option B is the right answer. Okay, that's the idea. So when the time is 2:15, ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2:15 ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಆ ಎರಡು ಡೇಟಾ, 3 ಡೇಟಾ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ any two consecutive numbers is 30 degree. Angle made by the hour hand in 15 minutes is half degree, which is 7.5. Angle made by the minute hand in 1 minute is 6 degree. Right? ಆ ಮೂರು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you can tackle any problem of this. So subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ರೈಟ್? ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಗಿನ್ನ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅವಾಗ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So here you have to subtract. So the answer is 22 and half a degree. I hope it is clear for you. Next, it's an application type of problem. A railway engine is traveling along a circular railway track of radius 5,500 meters with a distance speed of 66 kilometers per hour. Find the angle turned in by the engine in 10 seconds. Alge data ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು radius ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಏನಂತ 1,500 meters. Okay, that is given. Right. What's the date here? Data here. Additional data 6 kilometers per hour ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. See, we know that distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. Speed is given as 66 kilometer per hour, 1 hour, into time. Time ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನ 66 ಇದೆ ಅವರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 60 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟು 60 ಆ ಟೋಟಲಿ 3600 ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೋಣ ರೈಟ್. ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ನ 1 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1000 meters ಹೌದಾ. 66 followed by 3 zeros divided by 3600 into 10. This is the simplification we have to make. So 1 0 illu cancel ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ 5 is 0 so divided by 3. 12 5 is 60 12 5 is 60 0 right. 12 3 is 36 so 550 by 3 is the distance ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಇದು. so ಇದು this will become L, this is R is given, L is given. What you have to do, you have to calculate theta, right? So LR theta ide antandre terms. So obviously the formula which you have to calculate or use is L is equal to R into theta you have to use. So theta is equal to thereby which is equal to L by R. So L is 550 divided by 3 into 1 divided by 1500 meter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ನ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. So here 1 0 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Simplification easy ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So this turns out to be 5 11s 5 3s. So theta is equal to 11, this 11 divided by 30 into 3, this is 90. 11 by 90 agate. But angle you nodidre, see if you look at the angle, yella degrees alli ide. So that clearly says that you have to convert this into degree. 11 by 90 na degree ge hegappa convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Obviously 11 by 90 you should convert this in this way. This is 11 by 90 into 180 divided by 5. So 91s are 92s are. So 22 divided by 5 are. 5 value is 22 divided by 22 by 7. So 22 and 22 cancel agate. So 7 degree is the answer. Okay, so answer is 7 degree. Right option is B is the option. Okay, I hope you are learning it properly. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ you are free to ask any sort of doubt through WhatsApp, right? Next one. Next is express 50 degree 37 minutes 30 seconds in radians ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ ಪೈ ಬೈ 1 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪೈ ಬೈ 180 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಓಕೆನಾ. X into pi by 180. This is conversion of an angle which is in present in degrees to radians. Conversion ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ 37 minutes 30 seconds ಇದೆ. So this term ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ term ನ first 37 degrees 30 minutes ಇದನ್ನ first degree ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು total angle ನ we have to express in terms of degrees. Then just multiply that by pi by 180. That will give you the angle. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 seconds ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಫ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 seconds ಇದೆ, half of that one. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ 37 minutes plus half minute. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 74 plus 1 75 by 2 minute ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ರೈಟ್. 75 by 2 ಆಗಿ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ 75 by 2 into 60, ಸಾರಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by 60 degree ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. 15 5s ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 divided by 15 4s 15 5s ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 5 divided by 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 37 ಮತ್ತೆ 37 minutes 30 seconds ಸೇರಿ this is the amount of degree. So now ಅದನ್ನ 50 degree ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. 50 plus 5 by 8 ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ which is in degrees. So 405 8 LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 4085 by degree. So ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇವಾಗ what I have done? I have converted the entire angle. So I have expressed the entire angle in terms of degree. Now this is ready for conversion into radians. So conversion ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ತಿದೀವಿ, 405 by 8 into 5 by 180. So ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are so 9 ones are 9 9s are 9 4s are. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 9 5 divided by 8 into 4 32. So 9 pi by 32 is the right option. Correct answer. Option ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So C is the right option. I hope you are understanding it, right? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Next problem. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, a chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of the minor arc of the chord. Right? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Obviously the diameter, so 40 ಇದೆ, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 20 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. diameter is equal to 40 centimeter, which is equal to 2 times r. So therefore r is equal to 20 centimeter. Next, obviously all the sides are equal, it becomes equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle and ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Angles are equal. Angles are equal. Equal to what? Equal to 60 degree. So theta ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ theta value is 60 degree in terms of radians. If I want to write, this is equal to pi by 3. ಹೌದಾ? Pi by 3. R is equal to ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ 20 centimeter. So what you have to calculate? L you have to calculate. L equal to what? So L is equal to R into theta is the form, right? R is equal to theta. Next, this is R is 20 into theta is pi by 3. So 20 pi by 3 centimeter. This is the correct answer, and the right option there it is option A is 20 pi by 3. Okay. Next, moving on to the next point. If tan theta is equal to 3 and theta lies in third quadrant, then the value of sin theta is in the table. Just easy there. Tan theta is equal to 3. So can you write this 3 as 3 divided by 1 and the variable? So if you take up a triangle, right angle triangle, theta. Next, opposite side by adjacent side is tan function. Define opposite side by adjacent side. You have to calculate this under square of these two. Sum of the square of these two sides. It is square marked 9. It is square marked 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So root of 10 is the hypotenuse, the biggest side. Now, what I have to do? I have to calculate the value of sin theta. So obviously, sin theta is equal to, if you concentrate on the definition, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Next, concentrate on the angle where in which quadrant it is lying. Concentrate on angle. It is lying in third quadrant. In third quadrant, what about sin function? Sin function is negative, so it is minus of root 3 by 10 is the right answer, and the correct option is C here. Okay, isn't it easy here? Let's move on to the next question. See, tan theta. If tan theta is equal to P by Q, then what is the value of this expression? P sin theta minus Q cos theta divided by P sin theta divided by Q cos theta. See here, immediately what it appears, what it looks like under sin theta cos theta. So from tan theta, we should get the value of sin theta cos theta anta ansutte, but it is not so. Let us take up this relation. ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಪಿ ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ divided by P sin theta by cos theta is tan theta plus cos theta and cos theta can be cancelled, and what remains is Q. Now we have the value to substitute. It is P into tan theta is P by Q minus Q divided by P into P by Q plus Q. Okay, now, right? So if we take up the LCM and simplify further, what happens here? P square minus Q square divided by P square plus Q square, and that is the LCM factor. where Q is the LCM factor that has been eliminated, and the correct option, right answer is this much. So option is B. B is the answer here. I hope here it is clear for you, right? Moving to the next question. It is almost similar to the previous one. If tan theta is equal to B by A, then what is the value of A cos 2 theta and B sin 2 theta? So obviously, cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta. So it is A cos 2 theta plus B sin 2 theta. This is equal to A into 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, now I hope you remember this one. A synopsis allu formula kottidini helidana you can use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. So 1 minus tan square theta plus B into 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is equal to, the simplification starts now. First, now let's substitute the things. 1 minus tan theta is B by A. It is given. So this is B square by A square divided by 1 plus. It is B square by A square here also. Plus B into 2 into tan theta is B by A. 2 into B by A. 1 plus B square by A square. Now let's start simplifying the terms. So this is equal to A into, obviously if you look at the numerator and denominator, A square is common. A square LCM will cancel out. A square minus B square divided by A square plus B square. Here lies the simplification. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ careful ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, because here we have in the numerator only A, here we have A square. So LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ denominator LCM ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, A square plus B square remains. Here one A square one term that can be cancelled. Here another A remains, that goes to numerator and it becomes 2AB in the numerator. So now LCM is common thing for both of them. It is A square plus B square. What is left out here? Let me write. A into A square, it is A cube, minus A into B square, AB square, plus B into 2AB, it is 2AB square. It is next one. A cube minus, plus it becomes AB square. 2AB square is minus AB square is there. So it is A square plus B square. So this is equal to, A is common here. So it is A square plus B square after taking common divided by A square plus B square. So both the terms can be cancelled, A square plus B square, and the answer is plus A here. So plus A is the answer. Correct option is option B. Okay. Moving on to the next one. This is also quite interesting one, and actually it is easy. Look at the answers. We have answers in terms of tan function only. So it clearly tells that this expression must be expressed in terms of tan baratara. You know, right? Sorry. Here, obviously, divide by cos of 9 degree. Each term must be divided by cos of 9 degree. So cos 9 degree, 1, plus sin 9 degree by cos 9 degree, tan of 9 degree, divided by cos 9 degree, it is 1, minus sin by cos, it is tan. So this is equal to tan of 45 plus A value only 9. So This is another formula. 1 plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A is tan of 45 plus A. So obviously 45 plus A is tan of 54 degree, and the right option is C. If you remember this formula, then only you can solve such type of problems. Illantandre idina you convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು you have to apply transformation formula ಅಂತ idea ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That should not be done. Okay. Moving on to the next one. 10th one, right? If cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 5 and conditions in ನೀವು problem solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ what is the condition? Here it is given, it is 180 greater than 180 less than 270. Obviously theta is lying in third quadrant. What is the value of cosecant theta plus cot theta? Secant theta minus tan theta, right? Given value is cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. If I take up a triangle, this is 3, this is 5. Obviously, this will become 4 because 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. Next, ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಈ values expression ಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. Given expression is equal to ಅದರ values. Cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite side 5 by 4. Whether it is plus or minus, in third quadrant cosecant theta is negative. That's why it is minus 5 by 4. Next, cot theta. Cot theta in third quadrant it is positive here. Adjacent side by hypotenuse, opposite side plus 3 by 4 divided by what next is secant theta. Secant theta is 5 by 3. I will put minus here because secant theta in third quadrant is negative. Next, minus of tan theta, minus formula dalide. It is not because of A is equal. Next, tan theta. Tan theta is obviously 4 by 3. So these are the values of the respective functions which we have given, which we have there in this expression. Now we have to simplify this one. Just needina simplify manta hodre aitu nama job is over. Next, LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು. If you take up LCM, 4 is LCM here. So what happens? Minus 5 plus 3. It is minus 2 by 4 into, this goes to numerator R. Okay, divided by LCM is 3, minus 5, minus 4, it is minus 9 divided by 3. So minus and minus will be cancelled. It is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So obviously 1 by 6 is the right answer. And 1 by 6 is option A. That's the answer there. Moving on to the next problem. The value of tan of pi by 8 is equal to the head diagram, right? See, value of tan of pi by 8, tan of 22.5 degree. You know the tan of 22.5 degree. Namage value gottilla direct age. Tan of 22.5 degree athwa tan of pi by 8 is equal to root 2 minus 1 the value. But illi yav option ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೂಟ್ 2 minus 1 ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ರಾಷನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ 2 minus 1 ಅಂತ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ರೂಟ್ 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by ರೂಟ್ 2 plus 1. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ರೂಟ್ 2 minus 1. ರಾಷನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 by ರೂಟ್ 2 plus 1. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ, sin pi by 8 divided by cos pi by 8. Okay, now, which is equal to 2 into Sin pi by 8 divided by 2 into cos pi by 2. What I have done, I have divided and multiplied by 2. So this is equal to, so take it, cos pi by 8 in the multiply. Next, this turns out to be 2 sin theta cos 2 theta. 2 theta andaga 5 by 4 agutte divided by 2 cos square 5 by 8. 2 cos square theta, it is 1 plus cos 2 theta. So this is sin of 5 by 4 divided by 1 plus cos theta. So this is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 2. Root 2 is LCM. Cancel that one. So it becomes 1 by root 2 plus 1, which is the right answer. Namak bandiro answer correct agide. Okay, na? That is the way how do you derive it. Next, 12th one. The value of cos square 45 degree minus sin square 15 degree. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. This is equal to cos square a minus sin square b. Okay na? ಇದೊಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ cos square 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು cos square cos of a plus b. a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, b ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 15 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. 45 plus 15 degree 60 degree into cos of 45 minus 15, it is 30. So cos 60, you know that it is half. Cos 30, you know that it is root 3 by 2. So final answer is root 3 divided by 4. This is the correct answer. And the right option there is option B, root 3 by 4. It can be solved only when you remember this formula. Okay. Next, 13th one. If sin A is equal to 3 by 5 and tan B is equal to half and A lie between greater than 90 degree ಮತ್ತು 180 degree ನಡುವೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ second quadrant and angle B lie between a third quadrant, then what's the value of 8 sin A plus root of 5 into secant B? What's the answer? Option 17 by 2, 15 by 2 minus 15 by 2 minus of 17 by 2. So first sin A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It is in second quadrant. First convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. sin A ಇದನ್ನ 3 by 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 3 by 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. This is 3, this is 5, this is 4. So tan A, it is 3 by 4. It is angle A is lying in the ಯಾವ quadrant ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, second quadrant, and this is third quadrant. So second quadrant ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ tan is negative. Next ಅದೇ ತರ tan B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. tan B is equal to half ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is 1, this is 2. Opposite side by adjacent side. So hypotenuse ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 4 plus 1 5, ಅದರ ರೂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು secant B. Secant b is equal to value ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೀನಿ first √5 divided by 2 according to the definition. Next, secant b ನಲ್ಲಿ √5 by 2 ಬರ್ದಿ, but angle b ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, it is in third quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ secant function negative, so minus of 2. So now let us substitute these two values in the given expression. Given expression ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 tan a plus √5 into secant b is equal to 8 into tan a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, it is -3/4 plus √5 into secant b is minus of √5 divided by 2. So this comes out to be 4 ones are 4 twos are. So -6 minus √5 into √5, it is 5 by 2. So 2 is LCM here. 2 into 6 is 12. So -12 minus 5, it is -17 divided by 2 is the correct answer. Option D is the right answer there, right? Next one, 14th one. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 2, then what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Right? See, given expression is sin theta plus cos theta. Oncealli igagale ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. It is very very simple. Sin square theta plus cos square theta ಅಂತ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ obviously ಇದರ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Squaring on both sides, so it will give you sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2. Sin square theta plus cos square theta problem